3 most common data science job misconceptions. What most newbies get wrong about becoming a data scientist. Key misconceptions.
1. The mathematics of machine learning.
Understanding the underlying mathematics of machine learning algorithms.
2. The importance of statistical thinking.
Why knowing statistics and even thinking statistics is important. 3. Defining the data scientist role.
What are a data scientist's responsibilities?
And why they vary so much across organizations. Math behind machine learning algorithms. Python libraries like scikit-learn and Keras are important, especially in the beginning stages of a novice's machine learning journey. Though familiarity with these packages is no substitute for understanding underlying mathematics, linear, algebra, and calculus abstracted away within these user-friendly packages. Mathematics areas of focus. Linear algebra. Areas of focus are data structures, tensor operations, matrix properties, eigenvectors, and eigenvalues. Calculus. Areas of focus are limits, derivatives and differentiation, partial derivatives, integral calculus, automatic differentiation, and probability. Statistical thinking. 2 sides of the same statistic. Many prospective data scientists at first glance assume they can progress solely on learning basic data manipulations, data visualizations, and built-in machine learning algorithms to solve all problems data-related. But data mining must be done to find any real salient insights to solve business problems or science problems. That's where statistics come into play. There are the basic descriptive statistics that involves finding measures of center, including topics such as mean, median, mode, etc. Then there are inferential statistics that focus primarily on hypothesis testing and confidence intervals. Both are heavily based in probability theory. Defining the data scientist role. Overlapping competencies. Responsibilities. Extract insights from data, gather data, and data mining. Qualifications. Bachelor's degree.
1 to 3 year minimum job experience. Job description varies depending upon the specific needs of the organization for which a candidate is applying.
Technical skills. Excel, statistics, a programming language or scripting language. Different types of data scientists. Mathematical statistician. A mathematical statistician analyzes data to solve issues in the industry, academia, business, and government.
Machine learning scientist.
Machine learning researchers or data scientists are people who work with data and build machine learning models. Company A, major tech company FANG. Google, data scientist. Company B, federal government agency. Department of Agriculture, economist, data scientist. Company C, startup. Focal Systems data scientist, data operations lead. If you search the job position data scientist on Indeed.com, you will notice some similarities across job postings. In most cases, you will find more discrepancies across job postings when it comes to defining the actual role and qualifications. Give it a try. Why do the job postings vary so much? Reasons for discrepancies in postings. Reason 1, advancement. Data science is a relatively new field and becomes more specialized as time goes on. Reason 2, new adopters. Data science is a buzzword and competing companies are in a data arms race to be the first to capitalize on data in their respective industries. Reason 3, HR specialists. The previous 2 reasons have left HR specialists and other non-technical audiences in a perpetual state of antiquated data literacy. Get free Python programming tutorials at tannerabraham.com.